simply relying on outdated CDC guidance when the experience has completely undercut that is not really a reasonable thing to do at this point.
In a video titled "Buck the CDC," Florida's Governor Ron DeSantis and the state's new Surgeon General, Dr. Joe Ladapo, outlined new statewide COVID guidance.
This is common sense, very practical public health.
A key point in this new guidance is masking recommendations. It pushes back against mask mandates at work.
There's never been any evidence that this has benefited employees. There's never been any evidence that it benefited patrons to businesses, and we're not recommending it here in Florida.
But doctors say the science shows otherwise.
One of the things that really stuck out to me is the statement that the use of masks, there was no scientific evidence that masks actually made a difference in suppressing COVID infections. And in fact, there are dozens of papers out there that say that the masks make a huge difference.
These new guidelines also reduces isolation for all Floridians, including students and kids in daycare, to 5 days. It gives doctors more protections and flexibility of using off-label prescriptions and determining the best treatment for COVID patients.
They're all waiting for it. They all want to be liberated. They want to be treated normally.
Doctors say the language in these new statewide guidelines could instead be a point of further division.
I thought it was kind of unfortunate that the language that was used was so highly politicized. I think in this polarized environment that we have, we should all really be trying to pull together, protect our health and the health of everybody around us.
Now, the Associated Press is reporting that the CDC is expected to update its COVID guidelines, and that could come as soon as tomorrow. In those guidelines, they are expecting some changes to come forth regarding mask mandates. So, Chris, a lot developing still with this, and we expect some more changes tomorrow.
Yeah, I was about to mention, we are hearing that the CDC is going to loosen guidelines and say that most people can now not wear masks indoors in public places, which is a big change in its policy and one that rather mirrors what Governor DeSantis has been pushing for a while. Janae Lewis reporting live for us tonight in Tampa. Thanks, Janae.